Yeah, we are inside a former bicycle factory, which now, for quite some time, it's the leading squat of Ljubljana. Quite vital, quite energetic. At least it used to be some years ago, which is of course now on its way towards the end. I'm afraid the mayor has other plans, other appetites. So now it's somehow more or less, as far as I know, destined. Doesn't show good, of course, which I'm quite sorry, because I live nearby and I feel that this is one of the crucial elements of our urban living. Now this leads us somehow to the concept of Ljubljana in the times of Jankovic, who considers Ljubljana as a city for tourists and not so much city or town for us who live here. Squat is of course perfect example. I mean, each city which considers itself serious, I would say, needs at least one squat, which is not so much commercial for the tourists, but which functions for the vitality of the city itself, for the people who live here. So I'm afraid with this great thing which is called rock, we are gonna lose this.